Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get access to Dream 2.0 for free. Method 1. First, go to Chrome Web Store and add Urban VPN. Then choose Hong Kong server and connect. After that, go to Doubao.com. Then translate the web page to English. Then go to AI Creation tab. Then write your prompt, but make sure to start prompt saying, "Create a video of," and then add your prompt and hit enter. Your video will be generated in 1 to 2 hours due to high demand. If video doesn't generate, then go to method 2. Pick your smartphone and download a VPN and choose Hong Kong or China server. Then go to Doubao.com and then download Doubao app from clicking on top. And when the app is installed, then sign up with your phone number. Complete the process. Then you will head to this page. Click on Seedance 2.0 and paste your prompt. And after 30 to 45 minutes, your video will get generated.